What is up, awesome people? Welcome back to another video. Hey yo, welcome back to yet another video. It's been such a long time and it's so good to be back in front of the camera. If you are new, I do cover a lot of different types of videos, vlogs, lifestyle, home decor, hair videos, okay? Sometimes I throw in some cooking here and there, but thank you guys so much for visiting. So in today's video, I am gonna be doing a hair video. I am going to go ahead and try to do a crochet style. First time. I tried crochet years ago on my daughter when she was younger and it was such a fail, and I feel like the pattern of the braiding means a lot, and if you do not get that part down, then the crochet does not come out right. So I've been watching a lot of videos for the past few days and I'm gonna go ahead and test it out and hopefully it comes out right so I don't have to pay $100 to get crochet done again, which is what I paid to get my daughter's hair done that she has now. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually take advantage of doing the braids, the bohemian box braid look, and I'm gonna go ahead and change it up with doing like summer colors, something a little different. I went ahead and purchased the 613. This is the Freetress Boho Hippie braid in 12 inches. And this color is the 613, which is like the blonde color. I want to use this as like an accent. Then I went ahead and ordered the T30. And then of course I went and ordered the 1. So I went ahead and purchased 2 of the 1, 2 of the T30, or 3 of the 1, 2 of the T30, and 1 of the 613, because I do not plan on doing too many of the 613, just kind of accents to kind of give that summer look and summer vibe. It is 12 inches and I plan on kind of cutting it in an angle bob look, which I like. So I'm super excited. So the tools that you're going to need is of course your crochet needle. I went ahead and purchased the Shine and Jam Edge Magic Gel. A lot of braiders use this for their knotless and things like that. It really helps to tame your hair down, which I really like, and do the clean parts. I have a brush here. I have a tail comb. I have some clips, and I have my denim brush. So my hair is completely washed and cleansed. I went ahead and moisturized it as well. I am gonna go ahead and kind of blow dry it a little bit because it is a little damp in the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry it. Crochet is supposed to be not that long, the easiest thing, this, that, and the third. I am gonna do it in parts with the pattern because I do prefer the space look that it is individual. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Alright y'all, so I am back. I had to go ahead and turn this video into a voiceover. So what you see me doing is basically parting my hair in a way that you would think I'm getting box braids, but obviously you guys know I'm putting in crochet. That look to me is just a more natural look, and I tend to not like the fact of not seeing my scalp, so this kind of helps that. Also, keep in mind when you're actually plaiting or braiding, whatever you want to call it, your hair in this pattern or in general, you do not want to braid it too tight because the crochet needle does have to go through it. So it doesn't have to be super loose, but please do not put it too tight. As well as the fact when it comes to the edges, child, mine is barely holding on for dear life. So I definitely made sure to not go too tight because I didn't want the hair, the crochet hair, to have to be pulling on my natural hair. I was finna write a song, but I've been hella stressed. All right, y'all, so keep in mind this is my first time, like I told you guys early in the video. I did not, as I progressed on with the style, I realized I do not have to basically braid my hair all the way out because it's all going to be tucked in regardless, somehow, some way. All right, y'all, so I definitely could have taken this part out while editing this video, but I just wanted to basically be transparent with you guys because it is my first time and just for you not to go ahead and do it. So in a minute, I'm going to realize that, wait a minute, why am I braiding out this second braid when I'm supposed to be connecting that first braid to this braid and then connecting both of those to the cornrow in the back? So I'm going ahead and undoing that and then do it the proper way. So pay attention to that. But also, as I said, you do not have to braid your hair out all the way, being that all the hair would eventually be tucked. I'm doing this part just in basically a slow-mo or regular version, and then once I do the first row, I'll go ahead and speed it up so we can get going. When we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. Still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car. When we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. All right, y'all, so y'all basically get the idea of what technique I went ahead and did. I'm just going to go ahead and fast forward this. This is pretty much what I did throughout my whole head. And now let's get the crocheting. So while I'm finishing up the last braid, I am going to go ahead and show you guys a clip of the way I did the back braids. I basically put each braid into the other as I kept going, and then I will show you guys how I end with the last braid. Now, if there's anything I can change about the style that I got done in this video, is this part. I should have used a thread and needle versus just a crochet needle, because I have to say that braid is very loose in the back of my head right now. All right, y'all, so now it is finally time to crochet. Just keep in mind that the color scheme I'm going by, I'm literally just pulling the 613 here and there, the 1, then the T30. I just kept going with the flow. I did not have a set way in which I wanted the color scheme. I just know I wanted just summer colors and have that effect than the boring black that I usually do. So just keep that in mind. And I pretty much used all packs except of course for the 613, which I will tell you later on in the video. So being that it was my first time doing this, I basically wanted to just give a lot of space because I was afraid of putting too much hair, and that's the negative look of crochet in my eyes. A lot of girls kind of have a lot of hair in their head, and I didn't want that. So I gave a lot of space in between and then planned to go back and fill in the spaces that I needed to. The style itself is very easy, but the most frustrating part for me was the back, being that I couldn't see it the way I needed to, as well as the fact that I didn't know what angle to put the needle in order for the whole row to be covered. That was kind of difficult for me, but practice makes perfect, and it still came out really good. That's definitely something I have to practice. All right, y'all, so this is the finished result of my first time trying out crochet, y'all. I've never done it. I've seen it. I watched enough videos. I said, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and try. As I told you early in the video, my daughter went ahead. I got her hair done at the African braiding place. They charged me $100, not including the hair, y'all. And I was like, and she legit finished in like 35-40 minutes. So I said, I am not gonna pay anyone else ever again. Like my good friend always say, you shouldn't have to pay nobody to do crochet. Listen, she is 100% right, y'all. These are the finished results. I can do a middle part. I can definitely do both. But I tend to just wear it to the side, but this is it. I absolutely love the hair. I love the change and just the different type of technique regarding the color scheme. Really cute. It's very summery to me, and I really like it, y'all. So go ahead and comment, go ahead and like this video and let me know what you think. Now, the plan was for the front to look individuals. I do not think it came out as individualed. Is that a word? Individual as I wanted it to. I kind of just gave up because what I noticed is a lot of the videos that I've watched, they would leave a space. Like you will see the space here, and that's the braid that's connecting to the next piece. That kind of bothered me, so I kind of just filled in those empty spots. So yeah, I normally wear it to the side. I'm a side part girl. I kind of went ahead and cut a little bit of the top part just to kind of give that layered look. Curls are still there. I do sleep with a bonnet as well as covering, being sure I cover my hair for the shower. But for the most part, I mean, and honestly, I don't think because it's not super long, I think I'll always just wear it down and not put it in a ponytail like I thought. I think I'll need the longer length for that, but that's cool. But it really came out good. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video, but thank you guys so much for taking the time out for checking out this video. If you do like the style and think I did a good job, go ahead and click that like button. Go ahead and click that notification bell. Go ahead and click that subscribe button. Be a part of the family. Thank you guys so much for visiting my channel, and I hope to see you in the next one. Peace.